Have you got shaky footage? Let me show you how to stabilize it in After Effects quickly and easily. I'll guide you through it step by step. Before we dive in, if this helps, please do like and subscribe. It means a lot and helps more than you know. Now let's get started. First, open After Effects and import your shaky video. Drag your video into the project panel. Then create a new composition by dragging it onto the new composition icon. With your video layer selected in the timeline, go to the Tracker panel. If you don't see it, go to the top menu and click Window Tracker to bring it up. In the Tracker panel, click Warp Stabilizer. After clicking, After Effects will start analyzing your video footage automatically. You'll see a progress bar in the composition panel as it goes through each frame. This step may take a few minutes depending on the length or resolution of your clip. Once the analysis is complete, the Warp Stabilizer will apply stabilization to your footage automatically. To fine-tune the results, go to the Effects Controls panel. Here you can adjust the settings. Smoothness. Increase this if the footage is still a bit shaky, or decrease it if the stabilization feels too artificial. Then you've got Method. Choose Position, Scale, and Rotation for smoother results, or try other options depending on your footage. If you notice unwanted cropping, scroll down in the Effects Controls panel and adjust the Borders setting. You can enable Stabilize Only to avoid cropping or select Auto Scale for a full frame look. Once you're happy with the stabilization, play back your composition to review the changes. If it looks good, you're all set. Warp Stabilizer in After Effects is a powerful tool. I hope this video helped.